Alright, well, there they are. They are not completely finished yet. I've got to cut off the tip right here so that they line up together, and also straighten out the reins so that when you try to close it, they aren't hitting, and straighten them up so that they're kind of in line with each other. All in all, though, they can hold things with the bolt head in them. You can see it's not falling out, and you know, they got some work to do, but this is only the second set of tongs I've made. One thing I don't understand is why my boss, it seems like it's always smaller than other tongs. I used 5/8 material. You can see it right here. I tried not to thin it out too much, and it's just kind of smaller. If you guys know why, leave a comment so I can try to work on that. But anyway, thanks for joining me on this little forging process, and also watching the quick clips of the hold fast forging. If you guys have comments, leave them down below. Give me that thumbs up button to show me you liked the video. Share it around, and if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see all my woodworking and blacksmithing videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.